Tired of tangled wires and heavy headphones? Hello guys, my name is Manish and welcome back to our YouTube channel Tectonic. Today we are going to review such wireless earbuds which will blow your mind. The video is very helpful. It is going to happen and you can get great benefit from it. So definitely watch the video till the end. Introducing the Bluetooth wireless earbuds. These sleek, modern earbuds are designed for comfort and convenience. With their ergonomic fit, you'll barely notice they're there. Bluetooth 5.3. Experience seamless connectivity with Bluetooth 5.3 technology. No more audio dropouts or interference. Just pure, uninterrupted sound. Bass stereo. Feel the beat with powerful bass that'll immerse you in your music. Whether you're listening to your favorite tunes or watching movies, these earbuds deliver rich, balanced audio. Noise canceling. Tune out the world with advanced noise cancellation. Enjoy your music without distractions. Even in noisy environments. LED display. Keep track of your battery life with a handy LED display on the charging case. Never be caught off guard again. IP7 waterproof. Don't let a little rain or sweat stop your music. These earbuds are IP7 waterproof, so you can use them worry-free. 36H playtime. With up to 36 hours of playtime, you can listen to music all day long without recharging. Perfect for long commutes or workouts. We've been using these earbuds for the past week, and we're impressed. The sound quality is exceptional, and the noise cancellation is a game changer. The battery life is also impressive, allowing us to listen to music for hours on end. Plus, the comfortable fit makes them a joy to wear. If you're looking for a pair of wireless earbuds that offer great sound, comfort, and convenience, the brand name wireless earbuds are definitely worth considering. With their impressive features and affordable price, they're a fantastic choice for anyone who wants to elevate their audio experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews.